Hello Form 2 students. Today we will go through 11.2b, area of sector. So this is our learning target today. Find the area of a sector. Find the unknowns of a sector. So please write down on your class workbook. Okay, so a circle which is cut into 4 equal parts. So do you still remember that in the last video we are looking for the arc of sector OAB, okay? But now in this video we are looking for the area of the sector OAB. That means the area of sector shaded in the orange color, okay? This part, we are looking for the area of sector OAB, the orange shaded area, okay? So now you know that the area of a complete circle is pi r squared, where the radius r is 10. So pi times 10 squared, okay? So this is the area of a circle, okay? But now we only want 1/4 of the circle. We cut 1/4 of the circle for sector OAB, okay? And for the portion 1/4, we can also represent in terms of the angle at center, 90 degree divided by the one complete circle is 360 degree. Okay, so this is the part we cut out. Okay, so area of a sector is equals to the complete circle, the area of a circle times the part we cut out. Okay, so for this one, we could simplify in this way. Okay, so we can distinguish easily the numerator and the denominator in this way. But if you are okay, you could skip this part, okay, this step. And by using a calculator, you can find the value is 78.5 cm squared, correct to 3 significant figures, okay? Okay, so last time in the last video, the arc is only talking about the edge of the pizza of a sector, okay? But now we are looking, the area of the sector means this part, okay? For the piece of pizza, okay? But not only the edge, okay? So this is the area of a sector, a part we cut out from the circle, okay? So please write down, very important, the formula area of the sector equals to pi r squared times theta, where theta is the angle at center, divided by 360 degree, okay? So area of the sector is the shaded region, okay? So please write down on your class workbook for the formula of area of sector. Okay, so for today, the homework is exercise 11b, question 1 to 4. And this time, you need to only find the area of sector, okay? And question 7, question 8, question 9, only A and D, and question 12. For a smarter student, if you have finished the must-do question, you could also take some challenging question for 17 and 18. In this video, I will go through question 3, question 8, and I will give you some hints on question 12, okay? Okay, for question 3. So if we want to find the area of the pink part, we need to find the angle at center of the pink part, okay? So we need to find the angle of this part by 360 minus 110 degree, so that we can find the angle at center for the pink part is 255, okay? And now, as we are looking for the area, so we are using pi r square, okay, for the area. So you could simplify in this way. Okay, so we could distinguish easier the numerator and denominator, but you could skip this step if you are fine with the calculator. So the final answer for question 3 is 369 cm square. Okay? Okay, and then question 8. Okay, in the figure, the angle of sector is 180 degree, 140 degree here, okay? And the area is 65 cm, the area. That means this part, the shaded part. Okay, the shaded part, this one, the area is 65 cm square. Okay, find the radius of sector. So we let R be the radius. Okay, let R be the radius. Please write down this one so that you otherwise the marks will be deducted. Okay, area of the sector equals to 65. So we apply the formula of the area of the sector, pi r square, okay? And the angle at center we cut out is 140 degree divided by 360 degree, okay, equals to 65, okay? And then we are looking for the unknown r square, okay? So first of all, we can organize the formula, the left-hand side like this. Okay, so we will keep r square, and we will move, okay, here, divided by 360. So here is times 360, okay? And then for here is r squared times 140 pi times 140 pi. So it will divide by 140 pi. Okay, so you could try to do in this way in one step, so it will be easier. So r squared equals to 65 times 360 degree, and then divided by 140 degree pi. Okay, when you're using your calculator, you will find that r square will equals to, after you use a calculator, you will find that r square will equals to 53.2 something something, okay, etc. And don't forget, when you divided by 140 pi, you need to add a bracket here when you are using your calculator. Okay, and then after you have find r squared equals to 53.2, you could square root the answer so that you don't need to copy the long numbers here. Okay, you square root the answer and you can find r will equals to 7.29, so which is correct to 3 significant figures. Okay, and write down the answer statement, cm. Okay, so this is for part A. So we can find r equals to 7.29 cm. And for part B, find arc PQ. Now this time, we are looking for the arc PQ, okay, the curved line, the arc PQ. So we will use the formula of the arc length. So use we'll 2 pi r, okay, the circumference times the part we cut off, 140 degree divided by 336, okay? So now, the R we look for is 7.29. So for this one, don't forget to use the original value in the calculator, okay? Okay, so, and then you can find the value, okay, the original, you can write down the original value, 7.29, 4005, okay? So you don't forget to use the original value of the calculator to avoid the error at the final answer. Okay, so the answer is 17.8 cm. So this is for question 8. For part B, the area, so we use the pi r squared. Okay, for part B, finding the arc, so we are using the 2 pi r, okay? Don't mix up. Alright, and then for question 12, I will give you some hints. In the figure, the shaded region, this one, is formed by cutting out the sector COA from the sector AOB. That means here, okay, that means we have the sector, and then we cut out the lower part OCD, and then we keep the upper part, okay, just like this. And given that the angle is 120 degrees, so find the perimeter of the shaded region. Okay, part A, we are looking for the perimeter. That means we have 4 part of length. So this one is the arc length of larger sector OAB. Okay. And then this part, the pink part, is the arc length of the smaller sector, OCD. Okay, and of course, there are 2 green parts, AC and BD, which are equal, and which is equals to the difference of OA and OC. So it is 30 cm minus 50 cm. Okay, so for part A, if we want to find the perimeter, we are going to find the arc length of AB, arc length of CD, and AC times 2. Okay, so of course, for the arc length of AB, we can use pi. Okay, arc length is 2 pi r is 30. Okay, and times the part we need. And then for arc length CD, for arc CD, we will use 2 pi. So the radius is 15, okay, times the part we need, and then plus 30 minus 15 times 2, okay? So these are some hints for you. Okay, for part B, find the area of the shaded region. So if we want to find the area of this part, okay, then it will be equals to the area of OAB minus the area of the smaller sector, okay? Then it will find the area of ACDB, okay? So, if you have any question, you can join the online Meet intervention. Okay?